After a series of leaks, Samsung has finally confirmed the launch date for its Galaxy S24 series as January 17. Despite widespread rumors and leaked images giving us a peek into the new devices, official details are awaited. Recent alleged photos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, shared by workaholic David on X, reveal the phone's design changes. At a glance, the S24 Ultra bears resemblance to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, but a closer look reveals a shift from a curved to a flat screen, offering a sleek and sharper aesthetic. While this alteration slightly accentuates the side bezels, it's a minor change that many might not notice. The back of the phone continues to feature a quad camera setup. However, the 10-megapixel 10x periscope telephoto camera is notably absent, rumored to be replaced by a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. This new camera is said to have a circular lens rather than a square prism, a design choice by leaker Ice Universe that suggests superior performance. The leaked images showcase a titanium gray variant of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, hinting at a design comparable to, and potentially more refined than, the natural titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, while the Plus and Standard models might feature Samsung's own Exynos 2400 in certain regions. These devices are anticipated to boast advanced AI capabilities, evident from leaked performance benchmarks. Despite numerous leaks revealing almost all aspects of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, official details, particularly pricing, remain undisclosed. The phone's real-life photos reveal a grayish hue and confirm many of the speculated features. Notably, the switch to a flat screen may offer enhanced durability and simplicity in screen protection. The rear continues the matte finish trend, adding to its premium feel, and the phone is expected to be lighter and more durable with a titanium frame. Overall, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra doesn't radically depart from Samsung's established design language, its subtle enhancements and hardware upgrades are creating anticipation. As the official launch date approaches, more details are sure to emerge, providing a fuller picture of what to expect from the latest flagship in Samsung's lineup. The S24 series offers various features, designs, and prices. This guide will help you choose the right one for your needs. If you're familiar with the series, feel free to explore other topics. New here, consider subscribing for the latest updates. Let's dive in. The standard Galaxy S24 packs a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 x 1080. It's built with Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with aluminum 2.0 for durability. Selfies, covered by a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Flip it around, and you'll find a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens at the back. Depending on the region, it'll run on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, offering 8 gigs RAM and storage options of 128 gigs or 256 gigs with UFS 4.1 tech. The S24 sports a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging, plus 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. Expect it to roll out in February 2024, priced between $850 to $900. Stepping up, the Galaxy S24 Plus rocks a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 x 1440. It's got the same tough build and a 12-megapixel punch-hole selfie cam. Its camera setup mirrors the standard S24, paired with either Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, but with a beefier 12 gigs RAM and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs using UFS 4.1 tech. The S24 Plus houses a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging, boasting similar connectivity features. Expected price? Around $1,050. Now the flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, flaunts a sizable 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 x 1440. The selfie cam, a 12-megapixel punch-hole. The rear camera setup is the showstopper with a massive 200-megapixel primary lens, complemented by other lenses for various zoom capabilities. Unlike its siblings, the S24 Ultra uniformly runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, offering 12 gigs RAM and storage options of 256 gigs or 512 gigs using UFS 4.1 tech. Its 5,000 mAh battery supports 45-watt fast charging, and it packs the same connectivity features as the other models. Expect a premium price tag of around $1,250. Overall, the Galaxy S24 series promises upgraded displays, durable builds, enhanced hardware, and smart AI features. While it might not be a massive leap for S23 Ultra owners, it's an enticing upgrade for users of older models or newcomers to the Galaxy S series. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.